In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up space on your device by managing your photo storage effectively. Managing digital clutter can be a daunting task, but tackling it step by step can make a huge difference in optimizing the functionality of your device. So, let's dive right into it and make some room for what truly matters. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the folder that houses your photos. For those of you accessing these through a device, you might tap on the storage icon to get to the desired location. This step is crucial as it's important to ensure we're selecting the correct files to work with. Once you've located the folder, take a moment to review the photos and decide which ones you no longer need. This might be a good time to look for duplicates, blurry shots, or those you simply no longer have an emotional attachment to. Select the photos you wish to delete by holding down the Shift key for multiple selections or by clicking on them individually while holding the Ctrl or Command key, depending on your operating system. With your photos selected, go ahead and right-click on them. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll want to choose the option labeled Move to Trash. This action is like a temporary deletion, meaning the files are removed from their original location and sent to the trash bin but aren't permanently deleted just yet. This offers you a chance to retrieve any files if you happen to change your mind before the next step. Next, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen, where you'll find the trash or bin icon. Go ahead and click on it to open it. Once in the trash, you'll see all the photos that you have moved there. It's a good idea to do a quick check to ensure all files here are ones you genuinely wish to delete. Reviewing these gives you that final chance to save anything mistakenly trashed. Now, to permanently delete all items within your trash, look for the option to Empty Trash, which is usually found at the top of the window. Click on that, and you'll likely be prompted to confirm this action. Confirming clears everything out of your trash, making the deletion irreversible. This is a handy way to ensure your storage space is not bogged down by unnecessary files, allowing your device to operate more efficiently. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to manage your photos and keep your digital space in tip-top shape. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to come back for more tips on optimizing your digital lifestyle.